Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2012 Nissan Versa, doing a drive belt. Tire's gonna come off. This splash shield I got up and out of the way so you can gain access to underneath the car. So it's a one drive belt system. This is your pulley. 13mm nut right here, loosen it up. Then you got a 13mm bolt right here that I used a power tool. I was able to get it on and off, but you can also use a ratcheting wrench or whatever you want to get up in there, but that's where you tighten it up. So loosen that bolt up first right there on the pulley, extract it out, slip the belt on, and tighten it back up. Now, because these are not self-tensioning belts, you may have to tighten this belt up in a month or two if it starts squeaking again. But that's just what happens with old school belt tensioning systems. Questions, comments, please let me know.